Welcome everyone to the Leetcode series, problem number 160, intersection of two linked list, easy section. So in this we are given the head of 2 point to the two head of linked list, and basically these two linked lists intersect at one node. It is given. So suppose we have point head A and head B, and basically they intersect at some node. So it is guaranteed that there are no cycles, and we have to find the node at which they intersect. So in this, the intersection node is C1, and so this is the same example as above, and the intersection node is 8 here, and here the intersection node is 2. So there are some approaches to solve this question. So one approach will be total brute force, in which what we do is we traverse in any one of the linked lists, and suppose we traverse and we check that while traversing in other linked lists if it occurs in the second linked list also. If so, then we return. So suppose we have two pointers, we have to follow two loops. First it is pointing to A1 and we traverse in B. So if does A1 occurs in B? No, it does not. Similarly A2 does not, but C1 does occur in B, so we return C1. So the complexity will be O of m into n, and it is not a good approach. So coming to the linear approach and O1 time complexity, so you can observe that we can calculate the length of the two chains in O of n time and O of m time, and in O of 1 memory. It is very easy. Now what we do is basically we find the minimum length, and we so in this the minimum length will be 5, A1, A2, C1, C2, C3. So we bring the other pointer to the same level. So currently the length of A is 5 and B is 6. So we bring A and B go to the same level. So we bring B to B2, and we traverse them simultaneously. So at the point where they both become same, that is the point of intersection. So this is basically the approach. So the length is 5 here, the length is 6 here. We bring both to the same level, and we traverse them simultaneously. So in the first iteration they are not same, in the second they are not same, but in the third they are same. So we return this 8. So coming to the solution part, first we are calculating the length of A and B. So just calculate the length of A, just calculate the length of B, and yes, we if the length of A is less than B, then we swap them. Basically we want the length of A to be greater than length of B, or else we have to create two if else part. And so in this too we are bringing A and B to the same level, and then we are traversing them simultaneously. If head of A is not equal to head of B, then we do both next, and then we return head A. Here it is compulsory that the head A, basically it is assured that they will intersect at some point. So let me submit this code. So accepted.